Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and this is the perfect way to show me what you're wanting and what's going on. If you look, this had pointed corners, this does not. And then he's changing the position from the outside to the inside. Now this had pointed corners, but that does not. My main concern, or what I'm looking at, this is a curve. That's a star. So just take a star, hold down the control button to draw a perfect star. Let's make it appropriately the line thickness. And you can see that the top one's flat. The middle one is like that. Hit F12 on your keyboard and get that pin dialog. Right here, yours is set on 90 miter limit. Set this on 0. And then hit OK. Now that's pointed and that's pointed. Now I'm not really sure he contoured that. And you know what, my line's a little bit thick. Let's make it 6. And let's see what happens when we contour it. Let's see how, well, my star's a little bit smaller. That's about the right size. One way to see, I'm concerned about the distance here versus the distance here. And I don't know what he's doing, but get the parallel dimension tool and kind of go from the center to the center is a 1/4 inch. So we're going to contour to the 1/4 inch. Now, a lot of times contouring, I just did a video yesterday about contouring inside or outside. Let's contour to the inside one time, 0.25 with square corners. I went to the outside. Same result should be. We got sharp corners on both of them because they were sharp to begin with. Now, you're going to have that little bit of distance, but I don't know if he contoured this or not. But see, he's evidently, I can't remember what his email said. He just wanted them both the same. So that has sharp corners. But if you can see, now we have to break the contour apart. A lot of times you have to select the entire thing, object, break contour apart. And if you look, this is we started with a 5-sided star, where he's starting off with a curve. Now, granted, when it contoured it, it becomes a curve. But anyway, I hope that was his question and hope that was the answer. Thank you for watching.